next neat topic is the number of images followed by two inclined plane mirrors. Now let us consider there are two inclined plane mirrors. These two are the inclined plane mirrors. Suppose to be there is an object. This is an object. So I will take it is mirror M1 and it is mirror M2. Then the angle made by the object with respect to the first plane mirror, that is I will take theta 1, and the angle made by the object with respect to the second plane mirror, that is theta 2. Then what is total angle here? Theta 1 plus theta 2 means that is the angle between two plane mirrors. So where theta is equal to theta 1 plus theta 2 is the angle between M1 and M2. Then we are going to consider several cases here. How the object is placed between the two mirrors, whether it is placed symmetrically or asymmetrically. Then what are the number of images produced inside the mirror? Then now let us take case 1. What is case 1 here? Even object is placed symmetrically or asymmetrically. Even object is placed symmetrically or asymmetrically. I will tell what is symmetrically and what is asymmetrically. Symmetrically means here the angle made by the object with respect to M1 is equal to the angle made by the object with respect to M2. Then it is said to be symmetrical. Means theta 1 equal to theta 2. For example, the angle between two plane mirrors is 60 degree. Then the angle made by the plane mirror with respect to the object is 30, and the angle made by the object with respect to the second mirror is that is also 30. 30 plus 30 how much? 60. Then object is said to be placed symmetrically. When the object is said to be placed asymmetrically here, if theta 1 is not equal to theta 2, symmetrically means here theta 1 equal to theta 2. What is asymmetrically here? Theta 1 is not equal to theta 2. For example, it is 20 and it is 40. The angle made by the object with respect to the first mirror is 20. The angle made by the object with respect to the second mirror is that is 40. Okay. Then object is placed asymmetrically. Then if we got 360 by theta is an even, if 360 degree divided by theta is an even integer, then what is the formula to find the number of images followed by the inclined plane mirrors? Okay, whether the object is placed symmetrically or asymmetrically, if we got 360 degree by theta is even integer. I already know about even integer. So for example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, these all are even integers. Then what is the formula to find the number of images? Number of images is equal to number of images is equal to 360 degree divided by theta minus of 1. Suppose I will take 360 degree by theta as m and number of images as n. We can write n is equal to m minus 1. Where what is m? So that is very important. M is 360 degree divided by theta. Okay. Then now, so however the object is placed symmetrically or asymmetrically. If we got 360 degree by theta is an even integer, so we have to find the number of images by this formula, that is 360 degree divided by theta minus of 1. What is theta here? Theta is the angle between two plane mirrors. Okay. So now this is the formula. This formula is very important. Whether the object is placed or whether the object is placed symmetrically or asymmetrically. Okay. Then if we got 360 degree by theta is an even integer, we have to subtract 1 from the 360 degree by theta. Then we will get the number of images. Example: if angle between two mirrors is 60 degree, so whether the theta 1 equal to theta 2 or theta 1 is not equal to theta 2. Theta 1 equal to theta 2 means here 30. Okay. Then theta 1 is not equal to theta 2 means here 20 or 40 or 40 or 20. So like that. Otherwise 15 or 45. So like that. So then object is said to be placed asymmetrically. Then what is 360 degree by theta? So 360 degree divided by 60 degree. How much you got? 6 now. So we will get m. M is 360 degree divided by theta. Then 360 degree divided by 60 degree. Then 0 cancel. Means it is how much? 6 the 36. Then it is 6. We got even or odd? We got even. Then the number of images formed is equal to m minus of 1. That is 6 minus of 1. That is how much? 5. So how many images you will be observing inside the two mirrors here? 5 images. When the object is placed symmetrically or asymmetrically, if we got 360 degree by theta, this is very important point. If we got 360 degree divided by theta is even, then we can subtract 1. So if we got 360, then case 2. What about case 2? If 360 degree divided by theta is an odd integer. Already you know what is odd integer. Odd integer means 1, 3, 5, so like that. So again we are going to take two sub cases here. So what are those cases? Then if we got 360 degree by theta when the object is placed symmetrically, and if we got 360 degree divided by theta is odd, then when the object is placed asymmetrically. Symmetrically or asymmetrically, if we got this one odd, okay, then when the object is placed, symmetrically, means theta 1 is equal to theta 2. Then, but here we got 360 degree by theta is an odd integer. This is very important. Then, what is the formula to find the number of images here? So, when the object is placed symmetrically, that is n equal to 360 degree divided by theta minus 1. Then, if object is placed asymmetrically, asymmetrically means theta 1 is not equal to theta 2. Means the angle made by the object with respect to m1 is not equal to the angle made by the object with respect to m2. So theta 1 is not equal to theta 2. Then what is the formula to find the number of images here? 360 degree divided by theta. Then for example, I will take theta as, for example, the angle between two plane mirrors is 72. Then that is 72. Example, if theta is equal to 72 degree, then what is 360 degree by theta? then m is equal to 360 degree divided by 72. That is how much? 5. It is an odd integer. Okay. But again we are going to consider two sub cases here. So if the object is placed symmetrically means here theta here 72 degree can be divided by 2 here. 36. Theta 1 is equal to theta 2, that is equal to 36 degree when the object is placed symmetrically. What is the formula to find the number of images? N equal to m minus of 1, that is 5 minus of 1, that is equal to 4. So how many images will be observed here? 4 images. When the object is placed symmetrically, even the 360 degree by theta is an odd integer. If it is placed symmetrically, then we have to subtract 1 from the 360 degree by theta. Then otherwise theta 1 is, I will take that is 42 and theta 2 is 30. Then what is the total angle? 72 na? Angle is 72. But how the object is placed? Object is placed asymmetrically. Object is placed asymmetrically. Object is placed asymmetrically. Then what is the formula to find the number of images? That is n equal to m. Means n equal to 360 degree divided by theta. That is 360 degree divided by 72. That is how much? 5. Means how many images observed here? 5 images when the object is placed asymmetrically. Okay. So last case number 3. What is that case number 3 here? So if we got a fraction, 360 degree divided by theta is fraction, then what about number of images? Whether they are placed symmetrically or asymmetrically. If we got 360 degree divided by theta is a fraction. Okay. So case number 3. If 360 degree divided by theta is a fraction value, then for example we take theta, angle between the two plane mirrors is 75 degree. So 360 degree divided by 75 degree, you will get fraction. That is 360 degree divided by 75 degree. That is about 4.82. Then we have to take only whole number here. That is integer number. Okay, this is 4. Then how many images formed here? We are going to take 4 images. Okay, it is the number of images formed by two inclined plane mirrors. So if 360 degree divided by theta is increase. If 360 degree divided by theta is an even integer, whether the object is placed symmetrically or asymmetrically, what is the formula to find the number of images? That is 360 degree divided by theta minus of 1. Otherwise you can write n equal to m minus of 1. If we got 360 degree divided by theta is an odd integer, then we are going to take two subcases here. Okay, what is that first subcase here? And the object is placed symmetrically, means the angle made by the object with respect to the first mirror equal to the angle made by the object with respect to the second plane mirror. That is theta 1 equal to theta 2. What is the formula to find the number of images here? That is 360 degree divided by theta minus of 1. If the object is placed asymmetrically, we have to find the number of images by this formula. That is 360 degree divided by theta. Then if 360 degree divided by theta is a fraction value, we have to take only integer part here. Okay, what is that integer part in the given example? That is 4. Means how many images you observed? 4 images. Whether the object is placed symmetrically or asymmetrically.